Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. Today we will be talking about caching information. We've noticed that people often navigate away from the current tab when they have opened or closed a tab by accident. This can lead to a loss of vital information. Because of this, here at MechanicDesk we are currently rolling out an update including something we call auto cache. Auto cache is designed to save your text should you accidentally close the tab or the browser so that you don't lose any vital information. Auto cache saves bulk text inputs in the comments or notes section of the timesheet, check sheet, and the more detailed section when adding a line item to an invoice. Here is an example of auto cache in action. Currently hitting the back button. Now, if I go back to this job, back to the line I'm on the invoice, click on Cached. It shows me the text that I previously had. In short, if you begin typing and for some reason navigate away from the page, the text will be saved so you don't lose any information. All you have to do is click the cached text in blue and you can then copy your text to the clipboard to then paste into the more details section like so. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact MechanicDesk support. Thank you.